The following message is being sent out by the request of the Colchester Police Department. A fog was being reported across the northwestern Vermont and as well as the town of Colchester, Vermont. Since few minutes ago, many people who ventured into the fog has been suddenly disappeared. Not much known about this fog has been reported. However, the National Weather Service has been determined that this fog is not ordinary fog, and it is coming from the dark forest and causes the person to go outside when they hear an unknown voice or sounds coming from the outside. This fog visibility is very low that driving in the fog will be extremely dangerous. Drive slowly when entering the fog and always keep your car light on so you can see anything. If you hear any strange voices or noises from outside, do not go outside. Remain indoors until the fog has been cleared out. Repeating, do not go outside when you hear any strange voices. This message will repeat shortly.